I'll show you how to display on Simulink Scope two different y-axis. Okay, you have multiple output of different magnitude. Okay, and what you have to do for this simulation, I'm taking two sine wave or three, and I'll show you. And we need a scope. Okay, let's change the first sine wave amplitude 1 and frequency let 300. Okay, and I'm taking another sine wave amplitude let 15 16 and frequency let 400, and again third sine wave amplitude let 50 and frequency let 500. Okay, now fit this, and I'm connecting this wave sine wave signal to scope. Okay, and stop time 0.5 is enough, and I'm running it. Now you can see all your signal is merged into one. Okay, what you have to do is go to view and layout and choose your layout. As my input signal is 3, I'm taking this, and it's not done yet. You have to go to this symbol and this symbol, click. Okay, now you can see your output is fitted. Okay, this is the procedure. If this help you, please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share.